Good afternoon, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Monday and it's the 27th of April 2020. So last Friday I asked you about to give the definition or the meaning of the following words. So we have the electricity, which we already discussed. Electricity or energy that we use in order to light up things, to make things work. And today we will be discussing about main electricity, a cell, and a battery. So again, last time on your book, page 48. So electricity around us. So we know that we use electricity almost every time, right? So electricity is all around us. We can use it to make light or sound. We can use it to heat things up or cool things down. We can also use it to make things move, just like this car, this racing car. This racing car is it has a battery inside, and then it's like a remote, and then you can use the remote in order for this racing car to move. All right, so also like this is a remote control. This is a remote for TV, and then this one you need to put battery inside for it to work like this. So this is what a battery looks like. Okay, so some batteries, some are big, some are small, some are like circle, some are oval in shape, but most likely the batteries we use for remote, for those car or some other toys are like this, but some also are like a square or rectangle in shape. Okay, so let me put that aside. All right, so here, what are the things that needs electricity? We have the lamp, the electric fan, the remote car, we have the refrigerator, the lamp, the electric kettle, we have the phone, what else? The oven and the radio, right? Or TV. So when we talk about main electricity, it looks like this. So main electricity is a very powerful electricity that most likely are used in buildings. So as you know, sometimes if the power is off, the buildings have their own generator where they use gasoline or kerosene to make it work. But some of those buildings, they have stored those electricity. So the main electricity like this is where they store the electricity. So things that you plug in use mains electricity. Mains electricity is very powerful. It is made in power stations like this one. So this one is a power station. This is where all the electricity are stored. Yes, or will travel. And then they use wires, right? You know wires? Like, for example, this is like a wire, right? An example of a wire. And then, how about cell? A cell can store electricity. It is also called a battery. So cell and battery are, you can use it, what's this? You can say battery or you can say cell. So here, as you can see, there are many different kinds of cell. Like I've said, some are in circle. This cell or batteries are used for watches, right? Small things, watches. And this one most likely for torch or for remote control, aircon control, and sometimes for flashlights. Okay, some also batteries like trucks, big cars, big trucks, they have the big ones. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see this far, but as as you look into a battery, there is a positive sign here and the negative sign. The positive sign is where there's like a point, and then the negative sign is like just like this, plain. Okay, so later today I'm going to show you how the electricity works. I've been showing you videos about how electricity works, but this video is about a circuit. So what will happen if you will turn on a switch? And what will happen if you will turn off a switch? So later you're going to answer that. So if this is, so the power, so the battery or electricity, it has ions and protons. So like this, it goes like this. It goes in a circular motion. So if there is a space wherein the electricity cannot go in a circular motion, then it will stop. But if there is like, if they are formed in a circle like this, then the power will go or working. Alright, that would be all for today. And again, I'm going to ask you, or you're going to answer in the comments below for this video, what happened if you will turn off the switch, and what will happen if you will turn off the switch in the other video that I'm gonna show you. Okay, thank you very much and goodbye.